you guys, and welcome back to another video. So as you can probably tell by the title, today I am doing a haul slash try on for you guys, and everything is affordable from AliExpress. Now if you haven't seen my wig review on this AliExpress wig, stop what you're doing right now and go check that out. I have more information about AliExpress, the website itself. So before you get into this video, go ahead and check that one out, as well as like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And for my new subscribers, hey, how you doing? My name is Tony. Nice to meet ya. And let's get into the video. So the first item I have for you guys is this Sequins Tom Ford jersey. I know you guys have probably seen it. Yes, honey. I wore this in my Get to Know Me tag, and I'll have that tag right up here if you guys want to see that. But yes, this jersey is bomb. It is reflex of blue and green and teal, and there is white lettering on the sleeves and on the front of the jersey, and of course on the bottom it says Molly, and the inside has a very thin lining, but when you're wearing it, you can't actually see through the jersey itself. So very nice. It's a very nice t-shirt dress, and this t-shirt dress retailed for $18.95. Again, very affordable for the dress. As you all know, Beyonce has this dress. She started the trend with this dress, and I'm sure it costs thousands of dollars for the one that she has, but boo, I got it for 18 bucks and I'm loving it. The next item I have for you guys today are these frilled hem pants, skinny pants, and they have the frills at the top as well as the bottom of the leg. Again, these are very affordable and they're very cute. Now the only problem is I underestimated how big my butt was, and so I got a medium when I should have been getting a large, and they kind of tight, but they still cute, still wearable. These are kind of see-through-ish, so I would put on black undergarments with them, just so you know you won't see nothing through the pants, because you know that looks crazy. You're gonna walk around looking crazy, so don't do that. They are very cute. I also ordered a black pair. I don't know where they are. I was looking for them and I couldn't find them, but watch they be in the one spot I haven't looked. But if I find them before I post this video, I'll make sure to get a clip of them in there as well. But they're the exact same as these, but they're black, and you can't see through the black ones, of course, because it's black. But these pants are good, and the material is freaking A1. They feel kind of like those jegging materials, you know, the jeggings, the legging jeans, or whatever you want to call it. That's what it feels like. It actually kind of feels better than those, but yeah, and they're quite stretchy. Like I said, they were a tight fit, but it's still stretched, and I was able to zip them up and everything, so you know. And those pants retailed for $6.95 each, so I got 2 pairs, so that total came up to $15.27 for both of those pairs. I'll also leave all the links to all the clothing down in the description box, so make sure you check out what's in the description. The next item I have for you guys is this here crop top. It's a long sleeve striped crop top, and it is mustard yellow, black, and forest green. I want to say it's like a forest green color. And y'all, this is so flattering on me. You have the option, there's a button right here. I wish this button was black, but it's indeed white. You have the option to just snap this together if you don't want the girls to hang out, and that'll just close it up a bit more. But again, I wish that was black so it'll, you know, blend in a little bit more, but I think I have a way to make it black without ruining the shirt, so I'm going to try that out and see how that works. But again, the material is fantastic. It's not a stretchy shirt at all. It does have elastic right around the bottom of the shirt, so it stretches right there, but other than that, it's not a stretchy shirt at all. But again, very flattering. I don't remember how much the shirt retails for, but if I can find it, I will be sure to list it down below for you guys. But I got this shirt in a large and it fits freaking good. Kind of has that baggy feel right around this area, which I like. And of course the arms fit really well. But again, if I can find it, I'll list the price for it on the screen for you guys. The next item is this red ruffled bodysuit. You guys, this thing is freaking A1. This looks so bomb on. I have no idea where I'm gonna wear it to yet, but I'll figure it out. But this is what it looks like, y'all. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. The bodysuit itself is, of course, that polyester stretch type material, but this here, I don't know what to call it. It looks almost like tulle, but it's thicker than what tulle is. I can't explain it, but it is see-through like tulle is. I just don't know what to call it though. And right here at the front, it has kind of mesh detailing so that you can see a little bit of cleavage through it. It's freaking A1. I love this bodysuit. And I got this in a medium. It does have buttons on the front to snap all the way up, or if you want to button it halfway. These are the really big industrial type buttons, which I like. They're heavy duty, so that means they're not flimsy, they're not going to break, so that's good. Yeah, but as for this tulle type stuff, it's very itchy, y'all. Like, I don't know what it is, but girl, I put this thing on and just scratching. Now, either my skin was dry, but y'all know I keep it moisturized. So I'm guessing the type of material it is just, yeah, not what that is, but it's very flattering on. I'm probably said it a lot because I like a lot of things that I got this time around, but I really like how it looks. It retailed for $13.42, so very affordable price for the quality. It's amazing quality, you guys. Beautiful. So the next item I have for you guys are these wide leg pants with the high split sides. They're kind of Adidas inspired. Except for the button downs, it buttons all the way to the end of the pant leg. And again, these are very industrial like buttons, so they're gonna last for a long time. They're not flimsy, so they're not gonna break off too easily. The pants fit great, besides the fact that they're a little bit short. I would have liked them to be a couple of inches longer, but they're still cute. I would wear them, probably high-waisted to make them like anklets or something, but very cute. Material feels like you know, the sports jacket type of material. That's what it feels like. Very, very good quality material again, and I can't complain about it. Very nice, very nice. Those retailed for $11.33. Next item I have is this snake print turtleneck shirt. It's a long sleeve shirt and it is a bodysuit, so it has the little snaps at the bottom. It is a size medium and it fits like a glove, and I love it. Love it so much. The detailing is great. The material is very thick. It's a stretchy material, but it is quite thick, so I like that. Everything about this bodysuit is A1 and I love it. That bodysuit retails for $11.82, I believe. So again, everything so far is amazing and affordable and fits well. AliExpress has really came up. They stepped up their game from, you know, some years back when all that stuff just had that polyester fabric. They stepped up their game because, you know. The next item I have is this long midi skirt with the crisscross detailing in the front, and of course you're able to see through that right here. Now it is a little bit deceiving because on the website I thought that this had, you know, some paneling right about down to here, but it turns out it doesn't have paneling at all. So what I'll probably do is get some similar fabric and sew the paneling onto the skirt, probably like halfway down to where I expected it to be. But if not, it's not a big deal. I mean, if you put on a bodysuit with the skirt, the bodysuit will, you know, cover what's going on right here, so it's not a big deal. The material is thick and it's sort of stretchy, but it's a very thick material. It's kind of suede, has a suede feeling to it. The strings, I did have to sit down and put the strings in myself. That took about 10 minutes altogether, but it's not a big deal. The skirt is awesome. I love the feel. The stretch is amazing. It looks good. I got this in a size medium, so you know, it retailed for $17.77, which is bomb. The next item I have is this brown suede bodysuit. It's more of a camel color. It has a deep v-neck plunge in the front and it comes with a belt to match it. And y'all, this feels so good. Did I say it was suede? It's suede. It feels so good, y'all. This is stretchy as well, but the material is thick, feels good. It hugs the right places, y'all. It hugs all the curves and stuff. This is a size medium and it retailed for $16.32. Okay, you guys, the second to the last item I have is this long sleeve bodysuit right here, and it has babe on the front, and again a very stretchy material. This material is kind of like a sweater material. It's a thinner sweater material. It's not too thick because yeah, I can see through it a little bit, but you know, it's still cute. Now this does kind of hug kind of tight. It's in a size medium. I should have got a large, but it's not that big of a deal. It still looks okay. Again, quality is great on it. Everything so far has been amazing. Quality has been amazing. The fit is not bad at all. But I would say wear a black bra underneath it, just because, you know, you don't want them nips to show. This shirt retailed for $10.63. Again, very affordable, very nice quality. So I love it. I love it. The last item I have for you guys is this nice bodycon dress. It is in the color khaki, and I got this in a size small. You can tell the Ruched detailing on the front. This part right here, it'll place itself right on top of your legs. This part will place itself right on top of your stomach. Very, very beautiful detailing. It has a plunging v-neck as well. It is long sleeve. It's a size small. It is kind of big right here. Now going back to talking about the quality, it's a very stretchy material. It's the polyester material that I was talking about. This is what I was talking about when I said AliExpress used to make all their clothes with this material. This is how it was. Very see-through-ish, very thin, flimsy, but I can't lie. Putting the dress on is very, very flattering. It is way lighter than what it came off in the photo, and you know I ain't tripping about that. And on the photo it does look a little bit thicker, but I ain't tripping because it looked nice. This dress retailed for $11.74, which again is very affordable in my opinion. So can't complain. My overall thoughts about all the items that I purchased this time around, everything was really, really great quality. I love the feel of all the suede textures and all of the thicker fabrics. I love the feel. Everything fitted quite nicely. All the sellers, they were great, kept in communication with me. I just have no complaints about them. So I will be buying again from the sellers that I chose from this time around, and I will again be placing the links to everything down in the description bar, so please make sure you check out the description bar. What else am I missing? Tell me what you guys think. Tell me which item was your favorite down below, or which ones you didn't like so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up as well as subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.